Okay, we're demonstrating the use of a Sotera pump. This allows us to recirculate and also decant product out of our totes. The suction side of the pump is here. The discharge side is over here. These pumps, the way we like to set them up, are with dripless connectors on the ends. So this way we're able to attach any fitting that we want. So in this case, if we were going to hook onto a dip tube, we would have the micromatic fitting hooked onto the female dripless connector. We'd hook these together, and then this would allow our pump to suck product out of any of our totes. On the discharge side, again, we have a male dripless connector. We would hook on the female attached either to a Parker Hannifin or to whatever fitting we decided to put on there, and it would allow us to discharge product through that fitting. You can see there is a yellow valve on the discharge side of the pump. Whichever way the long handle of the yellow valve is pointing, that indicates which way the product is going to come out of the pump. In this case, it'll be coming out through this tube and through this fitting. If we wanted to discharge out through this side, we would simply turn the valve so the long handle is pointing, and now the discharge would be coming out this way through the pump. Each of these pumps comes with a longer hose, which is used for two purposes: for recirculating a 450 or for decanting product into another treater or into a farmer's application equipment. All of these are dripless connectors, so there's no spill, there's no mess, and very easy to clean up.